Hello everybody and welcome to my YouTube. I'm Jen and today is Magic at Your Door Day. I just got my box dropped off by the USPS mail and I'm excited to open it. Magic at Your Door is a subscription box for Disney lovers just like me. This is Dude. He is the little mascot dude and he is dressed up in his soap outfit this month. And there's a reason for that, and we'll see what's inside the box. They have this cute little Let the Magic Begin. Looks like we got a little bit of dirt on the box during shipment, but everything inside looks perfectly clean, so let's see what's inside. First up is the little flyer. The flyer tells you a little bit of news if there's any news. It looks like Happy New Year from Magic at Your Door. And there's also a price list because Disney changes their prices frequently. So it tells you the current price of the item in the park so you can make sure that you're getting your value. But we always get our value in these boxes, so that's not a problem. Super exciting news on here is a new affiliate program. So it looks like there's more news coming for that in February. So if you've ever wanted to subscribe, hopefully I'll have a link for you next month or anything like that. So let's see what's inside. Okay. Pretty blue and white confetti matches the little Dude soap. And first up is a very cute pink pair of ears. This is a new one at the parks. Let's see if there's a price on here. There's no price, but I believe they're on here. Yep, so the price went up. It used to be $27.99. The price is now $29.99 for those. Ooh, a gold pouch. We will save that for later. Ooh, looks like we got a Jim Shore this month. Trying not to look at what that Jim Shore is. I will try to open it without revealing the contents. That is so cute. This is Lumiere. A Jim Shore Lumiere. How cute is that? And Jim Shores usually run... Actually, they have lots of different prices depending on size, anywhere from $20 and up. This one says $30 on the box. So far that's $60, and I do pay, I believe $129, $125, $129, something like that, every month for these boxes. So, but I always get my value, so don't get me wrong there. Here is why Dude is dressed up like a soap bar this month. If you put in a special request on their Facebook site, as well as I believe we signed up for their VIP program because that's brand new, and then put it in our request website, which actually comes with magicatyourdoor.com, I believe. Once you sign up, you can put in special requests. Then you got a free bar of Disney soap from Basin at the Walt Disney World. I was going to say Magic Kingdom, but at Walt Disney World, they actually went on vacation last month and got some of those for us. Next up, oh my goodness, I'm so excited. This is the blue Cinderella Castle Metal Earth. I have a couple Metal Earths. I have one that I've done and then a couple others that I haven't done yet, but this blue one is super cute. And that is the Magic Kingdom Castle. It looks like the gold pouch took over for the silver pouch. That's the famous silver pouch this month, so let's see what's inside. Oh, and the Metal Earth is anywhere from $17.99 to $21.99. So let's see what's inside this little pouch here. It's a cube. Ooh, there's a couple things in here. Oh, so this year for their gold subscribers, which is what I am, they've started a monthly pin program that they actually have designed their own. It actually says Magic at Your Door, a limited edition of 300 on the back. And then it says, try to do it without a glare, January, and it is the castle. This one's the Walt Disney Castle, and it says 2020. That is very cute, and it kind of sparkles. And then let's see what's in this box. It's Pandora. I have a huge Pandora collection. Oh, that is very cute. So it's a heart, and it says Minnie Mouse on both sides. So very cute, and I don't know there's prices on these, but Pandora's are usually $80 to $100 at the park. So that is fantastic. That'll make an excellent addition to my collection. I don't have this one. So there you have it. That is my small but mighty Magic at Your Door for the month of January. Let me know in the comments what you think, if you're a subscriber. And of course, if you're thinking about subscribing, go ahead and do that. But also next month, I might have an affiliate link for you. Thanks for watching.